God! Oh! Well, you are anyway. Fucking hell! Yeah.
She's tough, no doubt. She'll eat you up and spit you out. Her club downtown, gonna need a line of credit if you're hanging out.
Oh! Fucking hell! Hello. How you feeling, Steve?